Australian species have evolved over millions of years in the most extreme conditions, ranging from arid deserts to wetlands, dunes and subtropical and tropical rainforests. And it has created the most unique species. Now with cellular extraction processes, botanical extracts will lead the formulation. With potent new sources of bioactive compounds found within Australian species, and the cellular extraction process that delivers true to nature stable activity, we now see the evolution of the botanical extract. Not only have we created a new extraction process that allows us to reach into these plants and pull through this activity, but we've also sourced a whole range of species from Australia that have never been seen before. We have kangaroo apple, quandong, emu bush, emu apple, rosella. All are organic, wild harvested, and delivering a whole range of new bioactive compounds for you to work with over 80 new organic wild harvested extracts to choose from. We are simply creating the Australian pharmacopoeia. We now have access through cellular extraction process to these bioactive compounds, and we can deliver them in a water-soluble format so that you can use them in your finished product. Cosmetic formulators have access to the most potent bioactive compounds held within nature's cell walls. With 80 new extracts derived from the unique biodiversity of Australia, we are untapping a reservoir of bioactive compounds to work with. A very small percentage of Australian natives have any real data on them, and Native Extracts has embarked on a huge journey to understand more and more about our botanical species. This is releasing more information than we've ever had before on sources that can deliver hair care, cosmetics, nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals and food and beverage applications. One of the most exciting aspects of the cellular extraction innovation is the ability to give formulators flexible design options. The extraction process is rapid and delivers a fresh extract. This allows us to work closely with your needs. It's organic, it's wild harvested and it's active. As a progression from the water-soluble activity that we can achieve with our native extracts, we have developed a range of fatty acid profiles never seen before, called native seed oils. They are derived from the most unique Australian species. We represent a new frontier in high-performance, natural, organic ingredients. Cellular extraction gives us exactly that. The compounds that we pull through exist in their synergistic relationships as they do in nature within their cell walls. They're stable, they're multifunctional and they're potent. There is little known about Australian species, with only about 11% of the species having any real depth of technical information. Native Extracts has embarked on an exciting journey as we look to develop a large range of extracts based on rare and unique Australian species. We have over 80 extracts to date and it's growing. This is a whole new palette of tools for formulators to develop new and exciting products, and it will translate to new experiences for consumers. The evolution of the botanical extract is cellular extraction, and it's true to nature. One of the most exciting things that we get to do at Native Extracts is actually work closely with Indigenous communities and the commercial native growers. We work with bioprospectors that travel all over this land searching for particular species with compounds that we're looking for. Indigenous communities understand so much about Australian species and the benefits that they can deliver. We're now going back to nature to get the solutions that we're looking for our skin care, our hair care, antioxidants, pharmaceutical and health promoting benefits, as well as new sources for food and beverages. Native Extracts has created a number of world breakthroughs to date. With the innovation of cellular extraction, we are now able to go into the cell wall of any fruit, leaf, wood of any species on the planet. We focused on creating the largest library of Australian species that's ever been achieved before, giving us new sources of phytoactives and potencies that we never dreamed of. We are seeing antioxidant levels that outperform global benchmarks. This is a really exciting time for the botanical extract industry.